Hello and welcome to CNBC TV 18's Future Female Forward. I'm Zenia Baria, and as we enter into the third season, we put the spotlight on women and their relentless journey towards success and leadership in the workspace. Joining us today, we have with us India's first Olympic badminton champion, Saina Nehwal, who has recently become an investor and brand ambassador for the startup Narika. Along with her, we have the founder of Narika, Shruti Chand. Many thanks for joining the show today. Shruti, I would like to start by asking you, what made you, come across the idea of starting Narika? What was the vision behind it? And, tell us the entire story.
Of course. So I think it was a mixture of what I wanted to do and what I strongly felt about. 50 crore women in India are menstruating every year. We are the young population. And yet only 50% of women have access to safe period care.
Right.
And that is something that really started bothering me when I was living in Paris with a good life and good access to products, and really motivated me to come back to India and do something for Indian Naris. And that is when period underwear as a product really was born.
Tell us about why you have decided to associate yourself with Narika. What was the research or the pitch that resonated with you that you wanted to go ahead and choose this particular brand?
I think it's as a when I started badminton, and when I started winning so many titles and so many young boys and girls started following me, and I used to feel so proud कि एक लड़की विदेश के लिए अच्छा कर रही है. सब लोग ऐसा बोलते थे, and अभी भी बोलते हैं कि हम अपने देश को इतना proud करते हैं. So to associate with such kind of a brand where actually so many girls want to play sports now. So many girls go to offices now. They have become so confident, so strong that these things should not really bother them in any way. When you're playing for so many hours, when you're working for so many hours, sometimes it gets difficult to continue with the same pair. Sometimes you have to keep changing it. It's not so easy for a girl to in between the practice session, you have to just go and change a little bit. You feel you're sweating a lot more, and it gets so difficult to continue. Then again go and change, and then again start practicing. So it's a little bit difficult, and I think Narika in that way, coming out with an underwear like that, you can continue for a long period of time and don't really have to worry about changing it.
You have invested in a restaurant business. Now you've also moved into sanitary pads and, for uplifting women. Are there any more other investments in the pipeline? What do we expect? What does our audience expect in terms of what they can, see you in?
I think I was always interested in coming out with this, business mein aana hai and all that. And I had two restaurants. Maybe 3-4 years back, I started them, but I never spoke openly about it. But yes, as you have asked me this question, I have this 2 outlets in Hyderabad, Cock and Bull, and we are coming up with one more, Jolly and Bros.
Oh, that's
So 3 restaurants in Hyderabad, and then I have also invested in one clothing brand called Kaira. That's also a Hyderabad brand.
So anything outside of Hyderabad, or everything's going to be planned within Hyderabad?
For right now, everything in Hyderabad, because I'm here and easy to check on these things. And now, outside Hyderabad, Narika.
Absolutely.
So I've associated with them now. So let us see in the future, maybe some good ideas. And
Was it going to be with your husband, or it's going to be you riding solo?
oh, I think he's very busy with coaching. He's coaching now, so I think he doesn't have time to actually put in some time in the business. But he'll definitely want to join in or maybe invest a little bit. But his full love is for badminton, and he wants to produce more champions. He's there giving 8 to 10 hours to the young kids, and I hope he achieves great in that. But for me, I just love the business idea so much, and why not more restaurants, more such more Narikas and such more clothing brands. I would love to do that.
That's great. That's great. So one last question before I let you guys go. Can you tell us about what your financial mantra is? Is it something that you look into personally, your investments and all of that? Or is it someone else that takes care of it?
Initially, yes, Papa. Papa used to take care of it, and I was so busy with my career that I didn't have so much of time to see bank पे कितना भी पैसा है या क्या है. I should not even ask. पैसा आता है. It will come with the fame. It will come when you do well. It will definitely come. But I think first I want to tell this: don't forget what you are because you have that much money. you have achieved that because of your game. You have achieved that because you have reached that level. Yes, थोड़ा सा attitude दिखा दो, थोड़े कपड़े खरीद लो, try to show off. That's fine, you know, that's all okay. But always keep it in mind when you are serving, when you're doing well in your field, you are giving 100% there, and you always come out with good results, because that is the only thing which will satisfy you. Money is there, money will be there, and आपको अगर आप को लगता है कि आपने बहुत achieve कर लिया, मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, after 1-2 years you will feel what you are missing. So always make sure what you love, you do that first, and money will come with that. And then right, idea of investing is something which, you know, if I tell मेरे लिए वो work किया होगा, but I don't know किसके लिए क्या work करेगा, and I don't want to tell कि ये कर लो तो आपको definitely वो आ ही जाएगा. I think you can follow good advisor, you know, आपको advice देने वाले भी काफ़ी लोग रहेंगे, but make sure that you take the right advice and research on it. Research कीजिए, अपने friend से बात कीजिए, and जल्दी में किसी चीज़ को जल्दीबाजी में कोई चीज़ ना करें, तो I think it will really help you stay strong with your financial condition. Otherwise, I've seen many people जो मेरे साथ ही थे, तो they just took some decisions like थोड़ा सा जल्दी में कर लेंगे, and it didn't really work out. So I always research it, talk to good advisors, talk to your parents, and finally when you feel satisfied, and I think that's when you can invest. And I'm sure फिर तो you will have knowledge how to invest in a right way. So this is the only, I think, mantra I can give. Otherwise, everyone has a different style of earning money. You should just go with the confidence, and जो आपका दिल बोलता है आप कीजिए.
It was really nice for you all to join us on this edition of Future Female Forward. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.